Mom, they're not just festering, they're not just rancid, they're festering and rancid, which I, for one, have never.
What do you want, Maggie?
Can I go see the new Flyinator movie?
You mean the incredibly violent film about a half-frog, half-robot who attacks innocent flies?
That's the one.
Oh, well, we saw it last weekend. It was good.
Great, so can I go?
Absolutely not.
But that's not fair. You let Aldrin see 3 movies this week, and you wouldn't let me go to those either. You let him see The Last Samurai. And you let him see the new James Bond movie, Fly Another Day.
I'll have a glass of tomato juice. Rotten, not right.
And you let him see Lord of the Wings.
You're not old enough to see those kinds of movies.
But then why does Aldrin get to go?
Because Aldrin's older than you, dear.
And widow Maggie might get scared.
Well, I think I'm old enough to handle the Flyinator.
As if. Flyinator 3 is rated FM for Fly Mature. I'm not even allowed to see it without Mom and Dad coming with me.
Because widow Aldrin might get scared.
That's my butt. Back off.
Oh, here's an idea, Maggie. Why not go see that nice little movie that Pupert likes so much?
The Prancing Princess?
Is the Prancing Princess fancy? You bet she's really neat. Is the Prancing Princess fancy? For sure she can't beat me. Prancing Princess doll. Now available in pink, off pink, and ultra pink. Collect all 3.
Aren't we a little old for the Prancing Princess?
Gee, what makes you say that?
Is a Prancing Princess prancy? You bet she's really neat! Yay!
Ugh.
You're not old enough to see those kinds of movies.
Because Aldrin's older than you.
Widow Maggie might get scared.
What are you doing, Maggie? I thought your parents said you couldn't see that movie.
No, they said I could see it when I was older. And technically, I am older than I was when they said it. That was ambitious! Hi-ya! Hey, look, Lord of the Wings is just starting. Come on. Fly another day? What luck!
But
What was your favorite part, Rena?
the end credits.
Ha ha! I finally evened the score. Aldrin and I have seen all the same movies. Aldrin, what are you doing here? Marina and I just came in for some soda. Mmm.
Yeah. Oh, wow. You know, you just can't get this stuff anywhere else.
Yeah, right. I saw you two coming out of the movie, and I'm gonna tell Mom and Dad.
Well, I don't even care, because I proved my point. I'm old enough to handle the same movies you see, no matter what Mom and Dad think.
Maybe. But I bet you can't handle the Flyinator.
Yeah, well, neither can you.
Don't be so sure. Because I just saw it with my buddy George. It was no big deal, right, George?
It was a lovely evening of light entertainment.
How'd you get in without Mom and Dad?
I didn't. Allow me to introduce you to the new Mr. and Mrs. Pesky.
Hey, where's that other bucket of popcorn you promised us?
Movie's over, guys. Beat it.
Well, I never! Is that any way to speak to your parents?
Aha! Aldrin, now I'm the one who can rat you out.
The point is, the score isn't even because now I've seen Flyinator 3 and you haven't.
Well, we'll just have to see it too. What?
You won't last 5 minutes in there. It'll scare your wings off.
Oh, like you're so tough?
I saw the whole movie, didn't I?
Boo.
Good luck getting in without parents.
Getting parents shouldn't be too hard. All I need is a little popcorn.
Oh, what a marvelous day this is, watching a talking picture with my wife and 2 lovely daughters.
Hey, we're in, buddy. You can cut the act now. I'm so excited I can hardly wait. Hey, watch the previews. Phew.
The Prince and Princess!
Hallelujah. Ooh, la, 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 la. Nice. La, la, la.
Now this is a movie.
That was just the appetizer.
I want my mommy! Why is the television so loud?
I'll see you in heck.
Yeah, check it out. I'm gonna put on my 3D glasses.
I don't think that's such a good idea. I'm missing a good one.
La, 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 la. Oh, nice. La, la, la.
We will never let anyone hurt you. Oh, I know, Prince and Princesses. I know. Oh, Maggie, how was the movie?
Fantasious. I could see it again and again.
Well, how'd you like the movie?
It was great. Why do you ask?
I don't know. You seem a little shaken up.
Oh, please.
Don't worry about them. I covered for you and said you were studying with Raina at the library, so we're all in the clear.
My, I'm so hungry.
I could eat you all alive.
Maggie, dear, are you all right?
I just stepped on her foot. See? Yes, Mom. You better pull yourself together, Maggie, or we're gonna be in big trouble.
Pupert, pass the rancid gravy, please.
Before I crush you like the bug that you are.
Gilbert, look out!
Maggie, what are you doing?
Trying to protect my little brother
From what?
from your ladle?
So, did you and Raina see the Prancing Princess this afternoon?
Oh, yeah, it was great. Very prancy.
What was your favorite part?
The part where the princess, gets chased by the frog?
Ixnay on the og frame.
Excuse me, but I've seen that movie like 5 times, and I don't remember any giant frogs.
Princess! Frog.
Maggie Pesky, did you see that movie even though we told you not to?
Yes! Yes, I did! I'm sorry! I didn't mean to. It's just that I saw Aldrin there. He said he saw it, and then I couldn't take it, and then I had to see it to prove him wrong.
You also saw the Flyinator?
Ooh, wasn't that good. Oh, I mean, bad boy.
Selling me out like that after all I did for you. Lying about you being at the library, stomping on your foot.
So I guess you're gonna ground us, huh?
No, of course not.
Are you serious? Even though we both saw that movie?
Oh, don't be silly.
Flagrantly violating your wishes without any regard for...
Maggie, shut up.
We just think you've suffered almost enough already.
Almost enough?
You know, dear, I hope that moldy salad didn't fill you up, because...
That was just the appetizer!
Oh, should we go make sure she's all right?
Oh, I guess. So, that movie didn't shake you up at all, huh?
Oh, please. I can handle stuff like that, Dad. I'm older. Plus, I'm a guy. I'll never let the Flyinator hurt you. I know, Prancing Princess. I know.
Hey, that's mine. Give me.
Give it to me.
It's mine.
You've had it all day.
Let go.